dawn of a new era where precision meets power.
This is not just farming. This is the orchestration of the harvest.
A perfect cut. The journey begins.
Maximum yield. Minimum waste. Every kernel accounted for.
From wheat to wine, precision engineering adapts. Autonomy in action. Field coverage beyond human scale.
The perfect planting environment, maintained by AI.
Every drop, a targetal dose. Nutritional science, automated. Perfect consistency, every time. The eye in the sky. Health diagnostics, plant by plant.
Flawless execution. Ready for the next mission.
Preparing the canvas. Eliminating threats to the harvest. Turning on a dime at feature-length scale. Hygiene is paramount. Sterilization, automated and precise.
Safety and speed, driven by advanced mapping.
The transfer. High speed, seamless, zero downtime. Efficiency quantified. The harvest clock never stops. Dirt discarded. The treasure revealed. Speed without compromise to quality. Continuous monitoring. Animal welfare, digitally tracked. Proactive care. Integrated resource management. Nutrients deployed. GPS guided, layer by layer. Every meter optimized. Zero wasted resource. The delicate harvest. Speed meets gentleness. From branch to bin, within seconds. Adaptive power. Flawless even on uneven terrain. Agility in motion. Wasting no space, no time.
Farming redefined. 365-day harvest. Zero soil. Surgical precision. Harvested at the peak of perfection.
Tillage at the power level. Preparing for the next cycle.
Scale and symmetry. Farming on the impossible grid.
Vacuum precision. The gentle touch. The rapid harvest. A continuous flow of quality.
Targeting precision in absolute darkness.
The aquatic environment. Precision cleaning and monitoring.
Perfect conditions, maintained autonomously.
Harvesting the horizon. Power meets sustainability.
The results are in. Maximum output.
High-level access. Selective harvesting by color and size. Perfect handling, from branch to crate. Self-navigation perfection. Safety first. On the mark. Delivery confirmed. Tillage on water. The impossible field conquered. Canvas of perfect symmetry. As the day ends, the work accelerates.
Automation on the perimeter, human supervision, machine execution.
Speed and delicacy.
The high-volume sort.
Thousands per hour. Automated to the last detail. Sealing the deal. Ensuring optimal seed-to-soil contact.
Perfection, pressed into the earth.
Water jet harvesting. The root of the innovation. Zero waste, maximum speed.
A day's work completed. Flawless execution. Delicate lift. Cleaning the harvest with air.
Ready for storage. Clean, fast, and continuous. The perfect stack. Strength meets precision robotics. Task complete. Absolute stability. The nightly checkup. Diagnostics and maintenance. Micro data collection. Continuous optimization. The ocean's harvest. Speed sorting for sustainability. Species, tuna. Length, 1.2 meters. Sort confirmed. Continuous flow. Preserving quality from catch to market. Weed-free perfection. Micro-precision tillage. Clean fields, faster growth. Unparalleled scale. The silent picker. Precision harvesting in the dark. Selective harvest. Only the best are chosen.
Predictive maintenance. Always operating at peak capacity.
Recharged and ready. The power unleashed.
Perfect bloom. Harvesting with computer vision. Speed and preservation. Maintaining peak freshness.
Nutrient recycling. Precise application, maximum benefit.
Variable rate, absolute precision. Feeding the soil.
cleanliness and comfort. The automated pre-milk routine. Instantaneous data. Tracking health with every drop.
From field to facility, the logistics of the harvest.
Quality assurance. Real-time data. Instant results. The perfect shape. Pruning for maximum yield with laser precision.
Waste transformed. Mulch for the next cycle.
Art and agriculture. The machine's perfect geometry.
Reclaiming the value. Reclaiming the value.
Collecting fallen seed with precision.
Zero waste farming. Every kernel counts.
Micro precision. Harvesting the delicate future of food.
Perfectly presented. Ready for the final package.
The transcript should include the sounds described in the prompt, nor the narration provided in the prompt. This is because the
Precision that cuts through the unknown.
The flooded field. Harvesting the floating jewels.
Bulk transfer. Speed and volume without bruising.
The ground game. Vacuum collection at impossible speeds. Perfect cleanup. Maximizing the valuable yield. Next generation. Monitoring the start of the food chain. Targeted nutrition. Growth maximized. Power through density. Unstoppable harvest. Sorting the bounty. Precision sizing and defect identification. Flawless quality, ready for distribution.
Conservation tillage. Preparation with minimal disruption.
The precision of the strip. Perfect placement every time. Underwater surveillance. Monitoring structural integrity.
instant repair, protecting the stock with autonomy.
The lowest cut, capturing every last pod.
Moisture optimization. Harvesting at the perfect point. The living infrastructure. Planting the future with precision. A forest laid out on a grid. Precision at scale. Automated hygiene. Maintaining a sterile environment.
Mission accomplished. Ready for the next cycle.
The final push. A river of harvested wealth. The harvest is secure, delivering the yield. The soft touch. Selective picking with machine vision. Perfectly packaged. Ready for the consumer. The big bale. Compressing the harvest at impossible speed. Bale after bale. Continuous high-density production. Micro trimming. The final finesse. Automated.
Clean workspace. Integrated waste management.
The last of the harvest, leaving nothing behind.
The cycle concludes. A flawless execution.
Preserving perfection. Automated cold chain logistics. Millions of pounds, perfectly maintained. The future of storage.
Raw power unleashed. Reclaiming the land.
From wilderness to workspace, the power of modern machinery. The micro harvest, protein collection, optimized. Bulk protein, instantly packaged. Resting the beast, the silence after the spectacle. An operation of 1,000 moving parts, synchronized. Tender root,
Harvesting with maximum care. Delicacy at scale, preserving the quality. Natural engineering, creating organic mulch in situ.
Soil health first, a perfect bed for the next seed.
The high-altitude harvest, selective picking at scale. Only the ripest. Quality controlled from the branch. The mobile harvest, ready for the next assignment. Aquaculture logistics, sorting by size and health. Flawless navigation. The continuous operation. Seed placement perfection. Maximizing the yield potential.
Final grid. Precision from tillage to seed.
Barn hygiene, automated. Continuous cleanliness.
Self-maintenance complete. Ready for the next shift.
Unleashing the full potential. Speed at the limit.
Silage at speed. A continuous, high-volume transfer. The lightest touch. Harvesting the delicate green.
Clean cut, instant package. Maximizing freshness.
Planting the future. Pneumatic power at scale. Maximizing potential. Every acre optimized.
Microdosing perfection. Nutrient delivery by air.
Zero downtime. Continuous cycle automation. Silage at the speed of transport. Relentless flow.
Seamless transition. The harvest never waits.
The world's most delicate spice. Harvested with surgical precision.
Patience and precision. Maximizing the valuable yield.
Land management at the power level. Perfect drainage, instantly.
Water control perfected. A continuous straight line.
Perfect loaf. High speed, high volume preparation.
Continuous production, ready for the heat.
The path of power, absolute field clearance.
Silent sentry. Monitoring the hive's internal well-being. Targeted protection. Non-invasive defense.
Fighting compaction. Breaking the hard pan barrier.
Invisible transformation. Conditioning the soil for future growth.
Microalgae farming. Maintaining the sterile bioreactor.
Continuous cycle. Maintaining peak light efficiency. The final moments of power. Mission complete.
The marine harvest. Automated health check and growth mapping.
Growth rate, 99% of target.
Line maintenance. Ensuring optimal water flow. A blank slate. Perfecting the foundation for precision agriculture.
Flawless topography. Precision from the ground up.
Vertical integration. Accessing the sky-high crop with autonomy. Controlled descent. Zero impact maintenance. In-field support. Continuous operation requires continuous care.
Serviced and ready. The power resumes.
Winter preparation. Precision pruning for the next cycle. Pruning and recycling. Preparing the foundation.
Field maintenance. Trimming the boundaries with high power.
Perfect boundaries. Managing the entire farm landscape. Precision feed. Nutrition engineered for growth. Thousands of kilos per hour. Automated bulk production. The final shift. Guided rest. Climbing harvest. Delicate picking at height. High volume, high quality. Preserving the delicate aroma. The perfect finish. Creating the ultimate seedbed.
Final touch. The flawless canvas is complete.
The aerial nurse. Targeted nutrition from above. Mission accomplished. Zero wasted motion.
Hour dormant, awaiting the next dawn.
The vigilant hunter. Pest detection at the micro level.
System coverage. No area unchecked.
Water precision. Fine mist for the delicate early stage. Flawless irrigation. Every seed receives its precise share. The next cycle begins. Culture injection. Automated. Microbiology. Machine-driven. Ensuring the next growth. The ritual of cleaning. Maintaining the machine's absolute excellence.
Restored to perfection. Ready for the future.
The heart of the system. Blending and preparation at speed. Final product, bulk transfer. The supply chain perfected.
The fleet moves on, ready for the next region.
The entire arsenal, awaiting the command.